Roger D, sports fan. Don't know if you can hear me properly, but yeah, just thought I'd do you a little review of the old, well, it's not old, it's brand new, in fact, brand new fucking Chinese 125. So it's a direct bikes Thunderbird DB125-9 or something like that. I've had it for what, about 300 miles now, a few weeks. I can't remember exactly what I've got to say on this video, but more or less, has anything gone wrong with it? Not really, not yet. I kind of forgot about the cut-off and that, spent about an hour trying to start it, thinking it were broken like a knobhead. Apart from that, it's been pretty good, really. There was a little fuel leak, but because the pipes had petrol in them, I suppose, you know. What else? Yeah, the clocks were hard to read. You know, you're trying to, like, what's the name? You know, I can show you anyway. Just like, obviously, I've painted on the miles an hour because it was in funny money, Disneyland speed, something like that. So yeah, I thought I'd come up Werner Flow because it's the best spot for all this sort of shit. Fucking nice and tranquil. And yeah. So I mean, yeah, I'm supposed to be reviewing it. Basically, it's just a 125. It's a cheap 125. It flew through the DVLA checks. Getting a number plate off Alfred's was a bit pitiful. They just haven't got a clue. Basically, they just spent ages basically piddling around, going like that. No, sorry, it won't print. So trust me, go to your local shop. Keep your local businesses happy. But yeah, so I've changed it into a Yamaha. And I'm going to change it into a Lion Judah bike, like off Rockers, top Jamaican film. So, in all honesty, like, you know, it's not missed a beat yet. I've still got to change the oil. First few days we were riding it, we were a bit flaky because I've not been on a bike for years. You know, I had a Mazda MX-5 for fuck's sake. It was well better, but it's fast enough to speed. You know, it's just everything you need, really. But it is roughneck though. It's not, I wouldn't, you know, some of the first few rides I had, I thought, fucking, it is not comfortable, basically. It's totally not comfortable. And my back's hurting now, even from riding it and all. So, it's just one of them things. It's not a car for comfort level. Shit, I don't want to put me bloody, I'll have to edit that bit out, won't I? And put my goddamn registration number on the net for all you pikeys out there to nick. So I don't know what else to do, really. I reckon fucking just get on it and go for a bit of a ride if I can. Just wondering, I don't think I've got any like sellotape on me, sellotape it to me hat, the camera that is. So yeah, how can I do that? Let me have a think about it for a second. I'll just put the camera there and you can see me putting my hat on if you really want, you know. Gotta get a good helmet and all. Yeah, that's another thing. Don't buy an helmet off Halfords because they don't have them in store. You know what I mean? They have to make you fuck around and buy off the net, don't they? So wondering what to do with this little camera now because I'll just drop it, won't I? But if I sort of put it somewhere, maybe it might work. The CBT instructor was a funny bastard. He's a proper cunt, basically. He fucking well tells it like it is. He doesn't take no shit. And this girl, basically, poor girl, went through a fucking red traffic light and he's like, fucking stop! Fucking stop! You can understand why. She could have been under a truck or something like that. I just felt well sorry for her. I just pooted along behind. Yeah, man. No, it's not bad. It's a nice looking thing. It's like classic or something. I don't know if you can even hear what I'm saying now. So anyway, I'm just going to get on it. I'll see you in a bit. tricky as fuck, but fuck it, it's worth it, isn't it? It's a buzz, mate. I'm getting another, it won't be another video in the whole planet about this bike, let me tell you that. Man, it's just the way it goes. Land Rovers. What you'll find, it's not in any way dodgy or dangerous riding a motorbike. Nah, mate.